All right, welcome everyone. Today we have Inbal Yahav. She's a social scientist and she's an assistant professor at Tel Aviv University, Koller School of Management in Israel. Her main research interest lies in the areas of data science, machine learning, and natural language processing, which is very much the focus of our IJDS journal. And she's focused on mostly in incorporating behavioral aspects into ML and natural language processing algorithms, which is very interesting. Dr. Yahav is currently serving as an AE for our IJDS, so potential authors out there can look out for that. And also she's an AE in digital support systems. So welcome, Inbal. Thank you for joining us, and congratulations for your publication in the first IJDS issue.
Thank you very much.
All right, so we want to chat about the paper with you a little bit. Let's give an overview about the paper. So first thing that we want to ask you is, like, for people who are not as familiar in this area of machine learning or in general about natural language processing, specific to this paper, what are the managerial implications of your paper, and how do you address that? And please explain a little bit in terms of people who are not as familiar with machine learning or in general natural language processing.
Okay, so I'll try to introduce the natural language processing for our audience. So with that natural language processing, the goal is to develop models that can understand people in their natural language. And I think in 2019, if I remember correctly, Google came up with their BERT model. It's a transformer-based model that learns language from huge corpuses of data and is able to understand what people write and respond back when needed in their natural language. So these models are largely available in all different languages. And then now with our paper, it's also available for Hebrew. So that's the main contribution of our paper, is to extend the Google BERT model to the Hebrew language.